In conservation, sample collection is increasingly more difficult, and this is both because of restrictions in access to the animals, but also how rare the animals are themselves. So we feel that by collecting samples, it's our moral obligation to make them available to a wide range of researchers. So that's what we do in biobanks. We bring all those samples together, and then we make them available for researchers to do a wide range of research, all with the idea of conserving species. The Biobank will give researchers and conservation managers in the future the best chance at carrying on the conservation efforts that we've started today by making these sample collections widely available to those that need them for really the best chance of species survival. We need to be inputting as much good quality, high quality samples and data as possible, and all of that will help managers not just now but also into the future.
We're looking at threatened species, so species that are of conservation concern. And over time, as we collect more and more samples, that will hopefully help us to answer questions about how to better manage those populations in the wild, perhaps help with reintroductions, taking species from captivity back into the wild, help with monitoring the population's decline in the wild, and understanding fundamental things like, how we define what different species are and how we define what different populations are. Everyone's familiar with the kind of statistics about species being in decline as we increasingly habitat exploitation, climate change, overhunting, overfishing, etc., really causing a lot of populations and species to decline. And so biobanking in itself is not going to bring back these species. We've got to tackle those problems at source, but what it will do is it will help us understand and learn more about those species and hopefully help us come up with some of the solutions for them going forwards.
We're not trying to recreate Jurassic Park. We're not trying to bring things back from extinction. What we're trying to do is give these populations the best fighting chance of existing in the future by helping them out where we can.